Most people think building wealth requires a fortune. They're wrong. Investing is the most effective way to build long-term wealth. Even with $1,000, you can leverage compounding and specific incentives for immediate impact. Here is how to deploy your first $1,000 right now for maximum returns. Liquidate high-interest debt. Before buying stocks, pay off credit card balances. A 25% or 30% interest rate is a guaranteed risk-free return, mathematically superior to almost any market investment. The 401k employer match. If an employer offers a 401k or 403b match, this is the highest priority. A 50% match is an immediate 50% return before the market even moves. It is essentially free money. Tax-advantaged retirement accounts, IRAs. Individual retirement accounts offer high returns through tax incentives. Traditional IRA. Contributions may be tax-deductible and your gains are tax-deferred for decades. Roth IRA. After-tax contributions allow for tax-free withdrawals in retirement. The Savers Credit. If your income falls below a certain threshold, you may qualify for a tax credit of up to 50% of your contributions, which provides a significant risk-free return. S&P 500 Index Funds. The Standard & Poor's 500 tracks approximately 500 of America's most successful companies. With a historical average return of 10% annually, money doubles roughly every 7 years. It offers instant diversification and lower risk. Buy partial shares in 5 stocks. For those with higher risk tolerance, fractional shares allow $1,000 to be split across 5 researched equities. This enables ownership of high-priced stocks with a smaller capital outlay. This offers higher potential upside than index funds, despite increased volatility. Utilize a robo-advisor. These platforms use algorithms to automate portfolio management. They provide low-cost diversification and automatic rebalancing with no minimum balance requirements. High-yield savings accounts, HYSA. For capital needed within 3 years, a high-yield savings account provides liquidity and capital protection. These accounts shield funds from short-term market volatility while offering competitive yields. Launch a passive business. $1,000 can seed a niche website, digital course, or microloan platform. While requiring initial labor, it creates a secondary income stream to feed your investments. Conclusion: investing $1,000 is your first step towards financial independence. Harness the power of compounding to build lasting wealth. For more insights, subscribe to Invest Insight.